I'm in a rush because I only have about like 5 minutes to get ready. I'm going to the office and I already washed my face. I am so brutal. One thing about me, right, is I don't like being late. Okay, late for me is, it means that you do not respect my time, and you should know better. Why you're always late? I'm really questioning you. And it's that time of the month, so look at my skin. I want to try this sunscreen. I never tried this sunscreen before, and a lot of people like hyping about it, so let's go. There is a smell to it. Like, is that normal? Okay, wait. When you're applying sunscreen, do not forget your neck. Okay, let's go back to being late. Okay, since I started working here in the UK, I was only late once because I was stuck in traffic. I was in the taxi, I was stuck in traffic. Apart from that, I don't like being late. I hate being late. I need to be there either 20 minutes before or 10 minutes before, 15 minutes before. You would never ever catch me being late. So, just gonna put some tint on. I like red everything. I like this tint. Okay, I don't put foundation on. It's just I feel like it's not needed when I just want to look like a bit fresh rather than a lot of foundation like early in the morning. I don't know, I used to, but I just don't want to put any foundation. The thing is, I just want my skin to breathe, especially when it's that time of the month. I just want my skin to just breathe. The best thing having your eyebrow tattoo is you have already eyebrows. Like, I'm just gonna color it a bit and then I am done. So I have this Maybelline use the applicator, and then I just like color a bit fresh when I am in the office. And this is my favorite like day perfume. I don't spray a lot because I have asthma, and my asthma don't like it when it's too much of a smell. And that's it. And obviously my glasses. Hello. So have a lovely morning, and I will see you tonight.